Morning, everyone, as well as good afternoon, because it is about to be 12 o'clock. My dear students, yesterday I was discussing about narration. It means direct and indirect speech. My dear students, I had told you that if you are going to change a sentence from direct speech into indirect speech, then you have to follow 3 steps. In first step, you have to uh, maintain reporting verb, means we learn how to change reporting verb of a sentence. And step 2, we have to know how to change all the given pronouns in reported speech. And in step 3, we have to learn how to change the tense of uh, reported speech. And I had started step 1. Step 1. I had started step 1. Rule number 1. Rule number 1. What was rule number 1? If you find, you can write, my dears. If you find an assertive
Good morning,
assertive
sir.
morning into uh, blade part into blade part, because yesterday I had formed a bat into blade part or इसके स्थान पर if you find an assertive sentence into inverted commas then reporting verb can be changed reporting verb say, says, shed can be changed into tell, tells, told. My dear students, let me repeat rule number 1. Under step 1, we have to know five rules, because there are 5 types of sentences. Where we find all types of sentences into blade part or in double inverted commas. So my dear students, if you find an assertive sentence into blade part or inverted commas, then reporting verb say, says, said can be changed into tell, tells, told when object is there. When object is there. As let me write some examples.
सर सेल्स के नीचे टेल्स होगा ना?
हाँ,
सेल्स के नीचे टेल्स होगा ना?
या टेल्स. She says to
বন্ধুকে লাগবা
my mother. She says to my mother
ले जीबो
He has not food. He has not cooked food. He has not cooked food. He has not cooked food. My dear students, she says to my mother, he has not cooked food. If you find such type of sentences, it means if you find a sentence given in direct speech and if you want to change the given sentence into indirect speech, your first step will be to recognize the type of sentence given under double inverted commas. मीन्स डबल इन्वर्टेड कमास के भीतर वाले सेंटेंस को आपको पहचानना पड़ेगा. And if you recognize that the given sentence is assertive sentence, you have to apply rule number 1. What rule number 1 says? If you find an assertive sentence into inverted commas, then reporting verb said can be changed into tell, tells, told when object is there. In the presence of object, यदि object नहीं है तो हमें नहीं बदलना है. As she tells. Why I have written on the place of says to tells? Because already object is given. Already object is given here. That's why I have used tells. She tells my mother. And my dear, if you find a sentence of assertive sentence in double inverted commas, you have to join both sentences by with the conjunction that, so and so, because we have not mean with this. Let me write another example here.
Sir.
Yeah, I'll give you time to ask. So let me write another sentence. Ramesh shed you are fool. At the very first, we have to recognize that what type of the sentence is this. I have recognized that the given sentence is in assertive sentence. Then we have to apply rule number 1. Ramesh shed. It means it can be changed into told, but in the presence of object. And here it's no any object. That's why we haven't to change. Then Ramesh shed that only. Shed that. Now, my dear students, I'm going to write the second rule. That's why I want to ask, if you have any doubt related to rule number 1, please put a question. Will you like to ask me any question related to rule number 1?
Yes, sir.
Please. Put up. It means you have not any question. Yeah?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let me write rule number 2. Rule number 2. If we find an interrogative sentence into inverted commas
पसंद करे
into inverted commas, then reporting verb say, said, shed will be changed into ask, asked, asked. This is rule number second. If we find an interrogative sentence into inverted commas, then reporting verb say, said, said will be changed into ask, asks, asked. And my dear students, to add both sentences, we have to use if and question word. But how? I'll tell you just after 1 minute. So let me write example. She Shankar shared to me am I looking well? Am I looking well? Am I looking well? Let me
Sir.
write from here.
Yes, sir.
Shankar shared to me am I looking well? And the second question, what is your name? My dear students, as you know that there are two types of questions. The first one is
Yes, sir.
that question which is started with simple verb, means helping verb, and the second type of question is that which is started with WH word. I have written two types of questions here. The first one is simple interrogative and the second one is WH interrogative. My dears, if you find a question whether simple or WH word, if you find any type of question into double inverted commas, it means in reported speech, then you have to apply the second rule. And what the second rule says, if we find an interrogative sentence into inverted commas, then reporting verb say, says, said will be changed into ask, asks, asked. It means Shankar asked me. Shankar asked me. Here it is not applied that whether the object is given or not. It means, let me make you understand with examples. If I write a sentence, Sania said, how are you? Listen. In this sentence, the object is not given, but in this sentence, object is available. in both condition, whether the object is given or not given, there is no problem. If the if the sentence of inverted commas is a question and you are going to apply rule number second, you have to change say, sage, said into ask, asks and asked. So my dear students, I have changed Shankar asked me, and now you have to join these two sentences. Keep in your mind,
Yes.
if you find a question of simple question, you have to use if, then so on, so on. And for second, Shankar said to me. Shankar asked me. If we're going to change, then you have to select the question word, the given question word from the question. What? We have no mean with other part of the sentence. अभी तक हम केवल और केवल रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब को बदलना सीख रहे हैं और दोनों सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ना. If the sentence is given as Sania asked, and if you want to join how, this is the way. And for second, Sajia says to me, do you love me? It means the given question is in simple interrogative, and if you find simple interrogative, then you have to use if. Shazia asks me if. My dear students, if you find a sentence like the given question means simple interrogative question, you have to add reporting verb and reporting speech and reported speech with if, with conjunction if. And if you find a complete question with WH word, you have to use, you have to add, you have to join reporting speech and reported speech with the given question word. Now, my dear students, I give you 1 minute time to ask me. If you have any problem, please put up your question related to rule number second, please.
सर
हाँ,
रूल नंबर फर्स्ट बता दीजिए. मैं नहीं.
rule number first. No, sorry, I can't repeat. I'll repeat, but when the class will be over, before 5 minutes I'll discuss.
Excuse me, sir.
थोड़ा शॉर्ट में सर बता
Excuse me,
दीजिए.
sir.
Please tell me.
सर,
Yeah.
जब भी हम लोग देखेंगे कि सिंपल इंटरगेटिव होगा तभी इफ लगा कर जोड़ेंगे
Yes,
ना.
yes.
और कहीं नहीं ना.
सर आपने कहा कि
ठीक है.
हाँ मिस खुशी प्लीज.
सर आपने कहा कि अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इंट्रोगेटिव हो तो हम से सेड में अगर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं भी दिया रहता है तो उसे आस्क में चेंज करते हैं.
Yes, I said.
सर ये सिर्फ किस पे अप्लाई होता है, या फिर अगर सिंपल सेंटेंसेस भी होंगे या फिर अदर सेंटेंस होंगे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में तो उनको भी चेंज, अगर उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं रहेगा तब तो हम से, सेज या सेड को टेल्स टोल्ड में नहीं चेंज करेंगे.
No. Actually, the rule number 1. Remember the rule number 1. In
Yes.
only rule number 1, when you find an assertive sentence in the part of reported speech, in that condition, you have to apply that rule. If the object is available in that sentence, in the reporting speech, you can change in tell, tells, told. But if object is unavailable or not present, you haven't to change. It's depend on your mood, your mind, if you are change, if you are going to change or not. Do you get me? Yeah. Now, students, put up your question. Have you a question, Miss Sneha, Priyanka, Angad, Aditi, Alpana, Amit?
तुझसे कुछ और
हेलो
Yeah,
इफ
please.
की जगह वेदर भी तो यूज करते हैं ना।
Yes, yes, yes,
सर
yes. Yeah,
सर
yeah. If or whether.
नो सर एकदम
सर डबल इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस रहता है तो फिर
Double interrogative. Double interrogative. Actually, WH word, such type of questions are called double interrogative sentence. For double interrogative, you have to use to add reporting speech and reported speech the given WH word.
सर
Yeah. Now,
सर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में कोई चीज नहीं होगा।
अगर हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट होगा तो इफ लगाएंगे।
please, what?
सर अगर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट होगा तो इफ लगाएंगे।
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If or whether.
ये बेटा
Yeah.
और WH से होगा तो
WH word. I have written, bete. I have written here. I have used. You can see on board.
सर मेरी क्वेश्चन के टाइम नेटवर्क अनस्टेबल हो गया था।
Yeah, please.
मैंने आपका आंसर नहीं सुना।
Put up your question.
So my question is that rule number 2 is applied on rule number 1 also. That if the reported speech is an interrogative sentence,
Yeah.
then reporting. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I'm ready to listen you. Please put up your question. It means you have not any question. Yeah? Am I right?
No, sir. I have a question.
Please.
Question. Stop. So
Why are you
मेरा
keeping silence,
question
please?
था कि अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में
नेटवर्क सर नहीं चल रहा है।
सर अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं रहेगा फिर भी अगर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस रहेंगे तो उसको आस्क्ड में चेंज करेंगे।
Yes, 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 yes. You have to change at any cost.
तो सर इज इट आल्सो अप्लाइड ऑन रूल नंबर 1
No, 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 no. Keep in
that
your
if the
mind,
object is
listen. If you find an assertive sentence in the part of reported speech, उस समय केवल आपको यह ध्यान रखना है कि ऑब्जेक्ट होगा तो टेल टेल्स टोल्ड में चेंज होगा, अदरवाइज अगर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो इट्स डिपेंड ऑन योर मूड। आप उसको चेंज करो मत करो। आप समझ में आया?
ओके सर।
लेकिन उसे
Yes, sir.
छोड़
Thank
करके
you.
बाकी जब भी कभी चेंज करना होगा तो वो चीज खत्म हो जाता है। नाउ लेट्स गो टुवर्ड्स रूल
Thank you,
नंबर
sir.
3। रूल नंबर 3। Rule 3. Hey, what does Rule 3 says?
कितना है यार रूल नंबर
If you find, or if you find an imperative sentence in two inverted commas then reporting verb, say, says, shed will be changed as on sense. Say, says, shed. If you find a request means a sentence in which you can understand request, then you have to change say, sage, said. Request.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ,
Say or
requests.
says.
हाँ, say or says. Requests, requested. Order. If you find order, orders,
Order.
ordered. Suggest, suggested, suggests, suggested, suggested. It means, my dear students, if you find an imperative sentence, so this is a challenge for each and everyone to find, to recognize an imperative sentence. I know, in each 100 students, 60% students can't recognize imperative sentences, while 40% students can recognize. So let me write some imperative sentences as, hey, there is a particular recognition of imperative sentence. Imperative sentences always started with V1. V1 because it has a very small formation, V1 plus object. As a sentence I am going to write, as I hope you have written the rule number 3. That's why I'm going to remove Khushi shared to me please tell me my dears, Aditi said to her friend, come here please. Angad said to his teacher, reply my question My mother says to me, mend your ways. My dear students, only for you I have written 4 sentences that it can be, the concept of this can be clear. My dear students, I have written the first. Khushi said to me, please tell me, hey, recognize the given sentence in double inverted commas. Please tell me, this is an imperative sentence. Come here, please. This is also an imperative sentence. Reply my question. This is also an imperative sentence. Mend your ways. This is also imperative sentence. Because imperative the recognition, the main recognition of an imperative sentence is the sentence starts with V1, 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 V1. V1. This is first form of the verb. 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 So my students, how we can change now? Let me tell you. At the very first, there are 4 conditions of all imperative sentences. This is order. You can, yeah, this is order, and this is request. This is request.
Yes, sir.
Means in second, yeah. In
Sir.
second, yeah. This is request. And in third, reply my question. This is also request. And this is suggestion. Yeah, please. My dears, अगर आपको ये चारों स्थितियां समझ, तीनों स्थितियां समझ में नहीं आती हैं तो यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज, यू हैव टू नो, केवल 2 तो आपको पहचानना ही पड़ेगा. एट एनी कास्ट यू विल हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज 2 कंडीशंस ऑफ इंपरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. एक आदेश का भाव और एक रिक्वेस्ट का भाव. बस 2 आपको पहचानना है. मोस्टली आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज आल्सो सजेशन. नहीं. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम चेंज करेंगे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज खुशी, खुशी, खुशी. नाउ हैव टू चेंज शेड टू, या दिस इज ऑर्डर. इट मीन्स खुशी ऑर्डर्ड,
Order.
खुशी ऑर्डर्ड मी. Now, my dear students, if you find an imperative sentence in double inverted commas, then if you want to join reporting speech and reported speech, then you have to use to. To. Then so and so. Now the second, Aditi said to her friend. Aditi,
Requested her friend.
come here please. This is request. Aditi requested. Aditi requested her friend to. Always you have to write to. Now the third, Angad said to his teacher. Angad requested his teacher to. Now the third. Now fourth, my mother suggests me, because this is sage, suggests me to ... And my dear students, we have to stop here. Rule number 3, I have told you today. Rule number 1st, 2nd,
Excuse
and
me,
3rd.
sir.
Now, it's your turn. If you want to ask any question, please put up your question, my dear.
Sir,
Yeah,
please tell me, order है ये.
yeah. Let me tell you. Yeah,
Please.
you students, you would be thinking that how, because in this sentence please is also given but in the last of the sentence, and in this sentence please is given in the first of the sentence. My dear students, keep in your mind, if you are using please in the starting of the sentence will be in order mode. If
Okay,
you
sir.
say to your elders, not elders, if you say to your elders, please sit down, it means this is in order mode. But if you say, my uncle, sit down, please, this is request mode. Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
सर तो हम पूछते हैं कि प्लीज
Yes.
सर, तब तो ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं हम आपको.
Yes.
Yes.
तब गलत है.
Now,
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
do you have any other question?
नो सर.
No, sir.
Let me raise all this. My dear students, I'll send you today also some sentences in which you will find, in which you will have to use second rule and first rule, second rule and third rule. Yesterday I sent some sentences and I hope you had done your homework. But today I'll also send some sentences in which you have to
Yes, sir.
use rule number second and rule number third. Is it okay?
सर आपने जो कल भेजा था वो हमने सॉल्व करके आपके पास सेंड कर दिया है.
Yes. But I didn't have time to see. But at evening, I'll see, my dear. Okay?
यस सर, आपके व्हाट्सएप पे होमवर्क सेंड किए हैं.
Yes. DV, have you another question?
No, sir.
Hmm. Thank you, my dear students. Let's
Sir.
wait. Yeah.
सर आपका व्हाट्सएप नंबर क्या है?
Oh.
Group.
Find from group.
एवरी क्लास 10
Yeah.
Group में number है.
Yes.
है सर.
So thank you very much, my dear students. Wait for next day.
सर.
Yeah.
सर आप जैसे जो हमने नरेशन के लिए रूल पढ़ा है कि अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में है तो वो पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में चेंज होता है.
Yeah.
बताएं सर.
अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में हो तो
If the sentence is in past continuous tense, if the sentence is in,
पास्ट परफेक्ट.
listen,